So this was my father's 64. He bought it brand new while I was in the Air Force. And when he passed away, the car went to me. I did a frame-off restoration on it. And when I pass away, it'll go to my first son, Mike, who has 2 boys. I didn't want anything obvious to look non-64. So there's every 64 option is on the car, but there's a few things that are not kosher. Those are ram air manifolds. They never came on a 64 389. Well, it's tri-power. It's got a posi-traction rear end. It's got a what's called a stump puller cam. But in appearance, general appearance, it's going to look pretty much like a typical 64.